we have Bhutakke. We will be offering chicken everything to Daiva once in a year. So first we have to clean the chicken like this. So later they will prepare it as a curry and they will cook it. Now he will explain.
After doing this work,
Okay.
we are going to cook this chicken. At it.
How directly we are cooking? First,
First, you have to heat it now.
We have to do post-mortem. Okay.
first we have to cut.
Yeah, you have to heat it now. Huh? Huh.
Almost done.
Clean.
After doing the chicken post-mortem, we are cleaning the chicken and preparing the food.
No, you have to eat.
Yes, small tiny hairs.
We are removing it and dipping it.
We are removing
By
that
heating,
follicles.
it will come out, na?
Yes. If you remove like this,
Hi, hello guys.
I'm guest. Huh?
Ini sila kita sawasin data.
Tolling.
Wala. Sorry po. Having buta galit.
I'm the guest of.
Ada body.
I know that one chicken. Cutting process. This is Chintan Kulal. Chintan Kulal. Not looking at.
so welcome our new guest.
Yeah.
ಅಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಒಂಜಿ
We have Teju sir here.
My name is Tejasya. So she's name is Nikita Kumar.
Her name.
Sorry, her name is sorry.
Tell me. Yes.
You are not on the camera.
Nobody is perfect. He will talk to you. See. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Rakshita. I am from Kadapa, Subramanya. Subramanya Kadapa.
Okay.
Studies ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊರಡ I recently completed my paramedical and now I am studying
Studying
allied health science second year.
very good.
Unity
I will
Academy
check
of
whether
Education.
Tulu. He's speaking only Tulu. We are only English. Only English. I don't know whether you can see him.
I
He's
don't know.
bending down.
I don't know proper English, but I will manageable, right? Because I studied in
One more thing. Sorry. See,
Kannada medium.
she gifted me this one. You know,
Bangle.
I don't know whether you can see it shine. Very nice.
You know this meaning? What is
This is pure diamond. This is band. Bow.
band? Bonding.
Bow.
No bow.
Very nice.
Huh? No bow. Infinity.
Infinity. Okay. Not the infinity. Come, mommy. Just.
Graduated.
Okay.
See,
Proud of me. Oh,
ಲೆಕ್ಕಿನಿಲ್ಲಡಿ ಬಿನ್ನೇರು ಬೈದೇರು ಬಿನ್ನೇರು ಬರೋದಲ್ಲೇರು ಎಡ್ಡೆ
He's messaging someone.
Means not easy.
ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಅವ್ರು ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಾರ್ಡ್
Opening skincare brands. Bye. That's it.
ಪ್ಲೇನ್
Plain, please.
Plain.
Plain and A-line kurta. It is full umbrella. Everything should come. Okay.
Chit chatting with friend. Now we are having food. First, it comes the pickle.
Pickles.
Ready to this is so good. Next comes the palya. I think it's the beans one. Next comes the prasada. He is only putting this much, you see. He thinks I don't eat that much. He's putting. Now he's putting more. Enough. No. Courtesy. No congestion. No. Karuna illa. Kind illa.
Chappe, but nice.
See, only one piece is putting. One piece. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, book it. Ande. Thank you. Thank you. So, this is the prasadam.
లాగ్ అండి వాడు మళ్ళీ వీడియో
Now I will see.
వీడియో ట్యూన్ పర్ ఇదాదా
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನೋ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆತ್ಲ ಬುರ್ಚಿ ಮಾರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆತ್ಲ ಬುರ್ಚಿ ಮಾರೆ ಪಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇನಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ 2 words
ಹೊರಬಾಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಕತೆ ಮಾರು
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು
ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು
ದಾದಾ ತೂತ
ಪಾಡ್ಗ ನಿತ್ತೆ ಬುರ್ಚಿ
ತೂಲೆ ವೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕತ್ತೆ
ಬಾಯ್ ಕೊರ್ಬಿನಾ
Trying to.
Very good.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಿತ್ತು ಬಡ ಬಾಯ್ ದಿನಾಡು ಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾರ ಸಾದಿ ಸಾದಿ ದೆಚ್ಚಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ